started off with a hopeless dictionary, which only had phonetic translations. I've progressed a little bit from that. It's slow, it's painstaking, but that's the other side of me, I guess. You know, I like that meticulousness, even though my other sense of being is I'm an artist, and my art and my paintings are very brightly colored, semi-abstract, huge, splashed all over, completely different from this meticulous translating, careful research, footnotes, get this correct, don't leave out the page number, all that. But it all seems to work. And I just think I've been incredibly lucky to be able to do it all and to have Yiddish to boot, because I would have never done a doctorate were it not for Yiddish. I was never that interested in English poetry. But somehow the lure of this Yiddish got me to keep going, and I'm still doing it. And just to add something, I think that with 1994 and the transformation in South Africa, the recognition of of all the different languages. So there are 11 different languages all recognized in South Africa. Because of that, my Yiddish studies have been supported, which is why I'm still researching within a university context, only because it's this minor language. I'm a white woman, and I've had my opportunity, which I don't think 10 years ago even I would have been able to have the opportunity to do it. So it's worked for me, and yeah, I just feel, as I say, very, very fortunate.